Dear students, in previous session we have discussed the procedure of converting a CFG to the GNF. Now in this session we will take one example and will apply that procedure to convert our CFG into GNF. So our example is convert the following CFG in GNF. G is given as SAB, so these are three variables and terminals are small a, small b, set of production P and the start symbol S, and set of production P is given like this. So S to AA oblique B, A to BA is another A production, B to SA oblique A is B production. So as per our procedure, in the step 1, we have to first check whether our grammar contains any null or unit productions or not. So just check here, we can observe that there is no null production. So there is no null production. Now we'll look at whether there is a unit production or not. Just observe that we can observe that there is no unit production. So as there is no null and unit production, so we need not to perform these steps. Then we have to convert our CFG into CNF. Just look at the format of the productions. We will see that it is already in CNF. It is already in CNF. You just look at S to AA. So there are two variables, or there is a single terminal. A to BA, there are two variables. B to SA, there are two variables, or a single terminal. Okay, so it is already in CNF. So that's why we don't have to perform the first step. If our grammar will have either null productions or unit productions, or it is not in CNF, then we have to perform these three steps in this sequence. We will first remove our null productions, then we will remove our unit productions, and then we will convert our CFG into the CNF. Once we have done all these steps, so then we will rename the variables. So in the step 1, we rename the variables. So suppose we are renaming the variables, we will replace S by suppose A1. We will replace suppose A by A2. And we will replace suppose B by A3. So these replacements we will do, and we will find a new set of production, let us say P1. So we will call the set of productions produced by each of these steps as the P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5, so that we may distinguish between the result of each step. Okay, so the result of the step 1 will be defined as the set of the production P1. So S will be converted to A1, so A1 to A will be converted to A2, so A2, A2. So AA, so A2, A2. Oblique B is the terminal. Okay, so we have successfully renamed this first production of P, and we have got the first production of our P1. Then similarly, we'll convert the second and third as well. So A, in place of A, we have to use A2. So A2 to B is A3, so it will be A3. A is again A2, so A3, A2. So this will be the second production. In third production, B for A3. So at place of B, we will write A3. So now S is A1, so we'll write A1 here. A is A2, so we'll write A2 here. So A1, A2, oblique A. So now we have successfully completed our step 1, and we have found the result of step 1 as the set of productions in P1. Okay, so now this is our set of production over which we have to apply other steps. In step 1, we have removed the null productions, unit productions, and we have converted our grammar to the CNF, and then we have renamed the variables so that we may write our variables in the form A1, A2, A3 and so on. Okay, so now we come on to the step 2. In step 2, we have to convert all AI productions to the form AI to AJ gamma, such that the index J is greater than index I. So J is greater than I. So index here should be greater than index here. And this we have to do for all the productions. So we have only three variables, A1, A2 and A3. So there are three AI productions are there. So for I is equal to 1, 2 and 3, we will be performing it. So first of all, we will be doing it for I equal to 1. So when we take I equal to 1, we take the A1 productions. So we'll look at the A1 productions. They are already in the required form or not. Just look at A1 production, A1 to B. It is already in the required form of GNF. So it will be included as it is. And A1 to A2, A2. So here what we want? We want the index of the variable here on the at the first place of the right hand side should be greater than the index of the variable present on the left hand side. So 2 is greater than 1. So already this situation is there. So means all the A1 productions satisfy this criteria. So they will be included as it is. So we will include A1 to A2, A2 as it is, oblique B. Then similarly, we will look at the A2 productions. So A2 productions, here there is only one A2 production and variable present on the right hand side at the first place is having the index 3, and here we have the index 2. So this index J is greater than this index I. So this is also in the required form. So this will be included as it is. So A2 is A3, A2. So this we have included. Okay. So now only remaining production here is A3. Now look at the A3. So A3 to A, it is already in the required format of GNF, so it does not create any problem. So, but if we look at A3 to A1, A2, so here is the problem. Here the index J is 1 and the index I is 3. So J is less than I, while J should be greater than I. So what we want to do, we want to remove this variable A1. So to remove this variable A1, because this variable A1 is not the same variable as the variable present on the left hand side, so we will apply lemma 1 to remove this variable A1 from here. Okay, so apply lemma 1. In lemma 1, what we'll do? We will replace at the place of A1 all the productions of A1. A1 has two productions, A2, A2 and B. So we'll use these two productions in place of A1 here. Okay, so we will write A3 productions as at place of A1, we will put A2, A2. So we'll put A2, A2 here, and then one A2 will come from here. So it will become A2, A2. So this is the value of A1, okay? And then we will put this A2 here, okay? So this A2. So in place of A1, A2, we have got now A2, A2, A2. Because the value of A1 from here we have taken as A2, A2. Is it okay? Then we will take the next value. Next value is B. So A1, the value of A1 may also be B as per the A1 productions. So we will once put this value as well. So at the place of A1, we will put this B. So this will become BA2. So we'll write BA2. Okay. So we have applied lemma 1 and then this A does not have any problem. So it will be included as it is. Okay. So we have applied lemma 1 and we have found this result. Now again check whether this result is okay or not. Again you look at the first, this production is okay because it does not have any variable here. This production is also okay because it does not have any variable here. It has a terminal here. Okay. But in this production we are having a variable here. If variable is present here, then the index of this variable should be greater than this index. Again, index here is smaller than the index here. So it is the index 2, it is the index 3, it is smaller. While it should be equal or larger. Okay. So we will again apply. So what we want, we again want to remove this A2 from here. So we will again apply the lemma 2. So we will keep on doing this process until we do not have a variable here which is having either value equal to the index of this or the higher index. So again apply lemma 2. So in lemma 2 we will use the value of A2 to replace this A2. So value of A2 here we have only one A2 production. So we will write the production something like this. At the place of this A2 we will put this value A3, A2 and then followed by this A2, A2. Okay. So A3, A2. So this is the value of this A2 and then followed by A2, A2. So A2, A2. So this is the production and these two productions were already in the required format. So these were BA2 and A. So now if we look at, so we are having the situation here correct, that is A3, A3. So equivalent we have got. Okay. So we will not include this one. So we will remove this and we will include this into it. Okay. So this will complete our step 2. So for all the variables productions of all the variables a1, a2 and a3, we have found the required format ai to aj gamma such that j is greater than I. And all the productions which are already in the form of GNF, those have already been included. Now we'll perform the step 3. Now in step 3, we have to convert the AN productions to the form AN to A gamma. That is the required form for the GNF. Here the value of n is equal to 3 because we have only 3 variables A1, A2 and A3. So value of n for us is 3. Okay. So for A3, we have to convert in the form A gamma. Now we are having A3 productions here, which these all are the productions which we have got from the second step, that is the production system A2, P2. Okay, so we'll look at the A3 production. So A3 production may have either they will be already in the required form of GNF, that is to the form of A gamma, or if they are having some variable here, that variable will be the same variable as present on the left hand side as per the step 2, because we have converted all the productions of the form AI to AJ gamma such that the value of J is greater than I. Okay, so for the last one it may be equal to I as well. Okay, so this is the situation here. So here what we want, these productions are already in the required form of GNF, but this production is not in the required form of GNF. This we have to convert in the required form of GNF, means we want a terminal here. So what we will do, we'll try to remove this variable from here. How we will be removing this variable from here? Certainly by using lemma 2, because it is the variable A3, it is also the variable A3, it is the same variable which is present on the left hand side. So we'll apply lemma 2. When we apply lemma 2, so this is the same variable, so this one is our alpha, or we can say alpha 1. Okay, and these all are our beta 1 and beta 2. Okay, so now A3 productions as per the lemma 2 will be A3 to beta i's. So beta 1, so it will be B A1, oh sorry, B A2 oblique, it will be A, the same one. Okay, and if A3 to beta is, and then beta I Z. Okay, so this is beta 1, this is beta 2. So now we have to include beta 1 Z and beta 2 Z. So we'll include BA2 Z. And here, because it is of A3 production, so we'll write it as Z3 so that we may distinguish for what variable we have applied the lemma 2. Okay, and then AZ3, because A is here, so AZ3 will be included. So these will be A3 productions. Now we have introduced a new variable Z3, so we have to write the productions of Z3 as well. So productions of Z3 will be the alpha I. So there is only one alpha, that is A2, A2, A2. So it will be A2, A2, A2 oblique, then alpha Z. Okay, so A2, 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 sorry, it is A2, A2, Z3. So this is the A3 production and this is the Z3 production. Now you can look that A3 productions are in the form AN to A gamma. So A3, first symbol here is terminal, first symbol here is terminal, first symbol here is terminal, and first symbol here is terminal. So we have successfully converted our AN productions to the form AN to A gamma. After that there is a sequence of variable, but at the first place there is a terminal. Okay, and Z3 is there. Okay, now A1 and A2 productions will be same as in the P2. Okay, so A2 I will be writing, it will be equivalent to A3, A2. So A3, A2, and then A1 production will be A2, A2 oblique B. So this is our P3. So after step 3, this will be our situation. Now we'll go to the step 4. Now as we have seen that after the step 3, our AN production, that is the A3 productions, are in the required form. Now in step 4, we will convert all AI productions to the form AI to A gamma for I is equal to n-1, n-2 and so on up till 2, 1. Because we are having only 3 variables, the value of n is 3. So for I is equal to 2 and 1, we have to do it. For I is equal to 3, we have already done it in the step 3. So now in step 4, we will do it for I is equal to 2 and 1. Okay. So our A2 and A1 productions are like this. So with the help of already converted productions of A3 in the required form, we will convert A2 productions in the given in the required form. Okay. So now we'll first convert A2. So I am writing A2 here. So A2 production is here, A3, A2. Now what we want to remove this A3 because we have to put here the terminal in place of this variable. We will try to remove this variable. So this variable is A3, all of whose productions are already in the required form. That is starting with a terminal. So when we will replace this A3 with the help of its productions, here also we will get the terminal symbol. Okay. So we will apply lemma 1 here and we will replace this A3. So when we will apply lemma 1, we will use A3 productions. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 A3 productions. So for A2 also we will also write the 4 productions. So A3 first value is BA2. So we'll put its value BA2 and after it we are having an A2. So we have replaced the value of this A3 and then after it we have to put an A2. So this will be doing for all 4 productions of A3. So A2, A2. So this is first production when we have used BA2. When we'll use A3 to A here, so it will be AA2. Then when we'll be using this one, so it will be BA2Z3 and then A2. So BA2Z3 and A2. And then here AZ3. So when we'll use AZ3 here, so AZ3, A2. AZ3, A2. So in this manner we have found the A2 production. So now our A2 productions, all A2 productions you can look, are starting from a terminal symbol. Similarly, we will do it for A1. So for A1, we will be writing it. It is A2, A2. So what we will be doing, we will be using the values of A2. So values of A2 here. Now values of A2 all start with a terminal. So when we will use the value of A2 here, so all A1 production will also get converted to the required form. Okay. So put the value of A2 here. It is BA2, A2 and after it we have to put an A2. So BA2, A2, this we have taken from here the value of A2 and then after that we will be putting one more A2. Okay. And then similarly AA2 and after that we will put an A2. Okay. So A, A2 and after that we will put an A2. Then BA2 Z3 A2, BA2 Z3 and A2. And after that we have to put an A2. Then similarly AZ3 A2, AZ3 A2 and after that we have to put an A2 and only this production because it is already in the required form. So these all will be the A1 productions. Now you can look at all the A1 productions are also converted to the required format. They all are starting with a terminal symbol. So now you look at all A1 productions, all A2 productions and A3 productions of P3 will be included as it is because these are already in the required format. So I will be placing A3 here. A3 is B, A2, oblique A, oblique B, A2, Z3, B, A2, Z3, oblique AZ3. So A1, A2, A3 all have been converted. So now our all variables A1, A2 and A3 are converted to the required format. That is all are starting with a terminal symbol we can look at. Okay. Now we will come on the step 5. So up till step 4, we have converted all our variables AI to the required form of GNF. That is starting with a terminal and followed by a sequence of variables. Now in this process, wherever we have applied lemma 2, we have always introduced a new variable Zi. So all those Zi's may not be in the required form, that is starting with a terminal. They may still be starting from the variables. As we can see in this P4 which we have obtained up till the last step. So Z3, so all A1, A2 and A3 are starting with terminal symbols, but this Z3 is starting with a variable, that is A2. Okay, so as per the question, there may be different variables. So in our case, we have only one variable, that is Z3. Okay, so now we have to convert all these Zi's into the required format, that is Zi to A gamma, because these Zi's are also the variables. So we have also convert these variables to the form A gamma, that is starting with a terminal. Now how we will doing it? Again, the method is same. We have to remove this variable A2. When we will remove this variable A2, what we will be doing? We will be using lemma 1 and we will be using the values of A2. That is the productions of A2, and all productions of A2, because it is a variable which we have already converted into the required form. So all productions of A2 starts with a terminal. So when we will replace their value here, so Z3 will also start with a terminal. So in this manner, by applying lemma 1, again, we will convert all these Zi productions to the form Zi to A gamma. So let us apply over it. Here we are having A, we have to replace the value A2, and then it should be followed by two variables A2, A2. Okay. So A2 is in our case is having 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Okay. So when we will put here, so this production will generate 4 productions. And similarly, when we will put the value of A2 here, this production again generates the 4 productions. So there will be total 8 Z3 productions. So we will write these productions Z3. At the place of A2, we have to replace B, A2, A2. So B, A2, A2. And then followed by A2, A2. Followed by A2, A2. So this is one production. Another one, we will take another value of A2, that is A, A2. So it is A, A2, and then followed by A2, A2. Followed by A2, A2. Okay. And then another one. Next one is B, A2, Z3, A2. So B, A2, Z3, A2. And then it should be followed by A2, A2, because we are putting the value of A2. Okay. So value of A2 is this, and then followed by A2, A2. So A2 and A2. And then AZ3, A2. AZ3, AZ3, A2. And then followed by A2, A2. A2, A2. Okay. So from this production Z3 to A2, 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 we have found these 4 productions, and we can see that all these 4 productions are starting with a terminal symbol. Is it B, small a, small b, small a? Okay. And then similarly, we will convert this Z3, A2, 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 Z3 into the required format. Again, we have to put here the value of A2, and then we have to append it with A2, A2, Z3. Okay. So meaning thereby here also we were appending A2, A2, here we have to append A2, A2, Z3. So whatsoever productions we have got here, in these productions we have to simply add Z3, or we may put the value of A2 from here and then append it by A2, A2, Z3, we will get the same result. Okay, so let us do it. It will be, I am just copying this and followed by Z3. Okay, so B, A2, A2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 A2, A2, A2 and Z3. And then next one, A, A2, A2, A2 3 times, A, A2, A2, A2 3 times, followed by Z3, because Z3 is additional here. And then similarly, B, A2, Z3, B, A2, Z3, A2, A2, A2 3 times, and then followed by Z3. Okay, and then last one, that is AZ3, A2, 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 AZ3, A2, A2, A2 3 times, and then followed by Z3. So these will be the Z3 productions. So these these two Z3 productions which are starting with variables now have been converted into the 8 Z3 productions, all starting with a terminal. So we'll remove these. And all the productions in P4, which were for the variables a1, a2 and a3 will be as it is included in this P5 because they all are in the required format of GNF. So we'll include them as it is. So this will be our set of productions P5. So A1, A2, A3, all these three variables, and the newly introduced variable Z3 all are starting with a terminal symbol followed by a sequence of variables. So that is the required form of GNF. So our original grammar has been converted to this. Now at this point of time, if we wish, we can rename these variables, as we have renamed S as A1, A as A2 and B as A3. So wherever we are finding A1, we can replace it by S. Wherever we are finding A2, we can replace it by A. Wherever we are finding A3, we can replace it by B. And Z3 will remain as it is. Okay. So in this manner, we can again convert it back. Even if, but it is not a required step. If we wish, we can do it. If we do not wish, we will not perform this step because the name of variables doesn't matter. The set of productions matter. Okay. So now our grammar G will become, or I say it is G5, which is the final result. And the set of variables here is A1, A2, A3, Z3. So these four variables are there. Set of terminals will be A, comma, B. And set of production is P5. P5. And our start symbol is corresponding to as it was A1. So it is A1 is the start symbol. So in this manner, we can write this grammar. So this is the process which we have to perform to convert a given CFG into the GNF. This example contains all the cases. So I hope it will help you to solve your examples successfully. Okay. Thank you all.